Hi, I'm Shalev Amar with your Arizona Lemon Law Advocates. In today's video, we have an important consumer alert. We've had potential clients come to us, consumers, who have unwittingly signed all of their Lemon Law rights away for only minimal compensation. So we want to help you avoid that, and we'll explain to you why. Before we get into that topic, a little bit about my background. Been handling lemon law cases since all the way back in 2004. Thousands of lemon law cases at this point, and our firm has close to a 99% success rate, and 95% of our cases are settled out of court without any type of litigation, never having to step foot in the courtroom. And also, we represent our clients out of court free of charge. So let's get into today's topic. Here's why you should never, ever sign your lemon law rights away for minimal compensation. Typically what will happen is you'll be having problems with your vehicle, too many repairs, too much time in the repair shop, and you'll reach out to the manufacturer in good faith, just seeking to resolve the issue. And oftentimes what will happen is the customer representative of the company, what they will do is they will try and get you to accept as little as possible. And by that, what I mean is maybe a month or two of payments or a short warranty extension, 6 to 12 months. And you know what? That doesn't come for free. That comes with a huge catch. And what that catch is you will have to sign what's called a release, signing all your lemon law and breach of warranty rights away. And so we've had consumers come to us with really strong cases where they would definitely be entitled to a refund or to a brand new vehicle or to substantial compensation. And what I mean by substantial is several $1,000s, not just a month or two of payments. And so in those situations, unfortunately, if somebody has signed a release, we can't help them because you're deemed to have agreed to what you signed, even if you're not an attorney, even if it's got fine print, even if it's got legalese, legal mumbo jumbo that doesn't make much sense. And so we strongly urge you, do not ever sign your rights away. Never, ever do that. These companies, they'll sweet talk you, they'll act as if they're helping you out, while at the same time you're being stabbed in the back. And if you keep having vehicle problems after the minimal compensation, you're just stuck. There's nothing you can do. Because again, you're deemed to have agreed to what you signed. So if you are ever offered something like that from a car or motorcycle or an RV company, don't just sign. Confer with an attorney first. We actually provide free case reviews. And if we see that you're about to get screwed, we will let you know. If it's a fair offer that compensates you fairly or gives you exactly what the law requires, we're not going to waste your time. We'll let you know that. But I can tell you right now that 9 times out of 10, what's offered is not even close to what the law entitles you to. So please, please, don't make that terrible mistake. And then you end up being stuck with a lemon that's not your fault that you bought. So if you have any other questions about any type of lemon law issues from A to Z, please visit our website. That is ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com, or feel free to call us 480-237-2744. Remember, if your car's not up to par, call Amar. We're here to help.